Welcome to today's daily message. Today is Labor Day, and so today I want to offer some reflections about the Catholic Church's heritage of protection and of the rights of workers and of the dignity of work. And I also want to offer a few reflections about Catholic teaching about work. The Catholic Church has a proud heritage of defending the rights of workers and the dignity of workers. You can go all the way back to the 19th century, when the bishops of Germany defended the rights of workers during the Industrial Revolution there. In 1891, Pope Leo XIII issued the first encyclical having to do with the rights of workers and the just wage. That encyclical was called Rerum Novarum. In this country, Monsignor John Ryan was a great defender of the rights of workers. He actually was an advisor to President Roosevelt during the Depression. He was referred to at times as the Reverend New Deal. Monsignor George Higgins picked up the mantle from Monsignor Ryan, and every Labor Day would issue a letter to American Catholics addressing the dignity of work and the rights of workers. Pope John Paul II in 1981 issued a major letter, an encyclical called Laborem Exercens, that had to do with the dignity of work. So the Catholic Church has a very proud heritage of defending the rights of workers and the dignity of work. So what are some of the components of the Catholic Church's teaching about work? First of all, as Pope John Paul II tells us, all work is good work, that anything that we do that enhances society, that enhances our own selves, that allows our families to flourish, that improves society, any work along those lines is good. Second, it tells us that work is part of our nature. Part of what it means to be a human being is to work. It's part of what it means to be a social creature. Work is not done merely for ourselves. Work is done for our family. It's done for our community, and it's done to improve the world itself. And our heritage tells us, Catholic teaching tells us, that work enables us to flourish. It enables us to discover and to express our vocation in the world. It enables us to take care of our families. And so work enables us to have the opportunity to live life fully. Thank you for allowing me to share these reflections on work. I hope that you have a day that is relaxing and generally free of work on this Labor Day. Thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful Labor Day.